Hey guys, what's up? Alright, I got some really exciting stuff that Georgie's going to help me tell you all about. Aren't you, Georgie? Yeah? Love you? Georgie's listening to Fiesta having a fit downstairs. I love you. Thank you. You're such a sweet little bird. Yes, you are. So, we are planning a whole bunch of stuff real soon here. We have avian flight harnesses coming from eBay. So there's going to be an unboxing video from eBay for flight harnesses. We also have a merger coming up here where Ice Gamer is my nephew. We're planning on getting together, doing a couple videos with his gamers and the birds, and so you're going to see all that combined, put together, get a couple laughs out of it. Isn't that right, Georgie? Ha 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 ha. You do it. Ha ha ha. You do it. Ha ha ha. Boy, thank you. I love your kisses too. So these are our exciting news here. I know, Georgie's getting so big. February 17th will be her first birthday. Yeah, I'm telling on you. Yes, I am. I'm telling how old you are. Yeah, my beautiful baby. So we'll have Georgie Girl's birthday coming up. And another event that I'm getting ready to do is I'm going to the OHPA Bird Expo. We're going to travel 2.5 hours to do that. Since I'll have my flight harness, I'm going to take Georgie. She's my most people-friendly, most socialized bird. I'm going to take Georgie, and we're going to go to the Bird Expo. We're not taking money because we're not getting new birds. Not yet. Well, we all know how that goes in the bird world. Is that right? Yeah? I think Georgie is voicing her opinion on that. Thank you. Are you telling them all about it? Are you telling them how you want a new bird? Yeah. And she's going to eat the phone. Well, can mommy talk? Can I tell them? Huh? You want to tell them? Do you want to tell them? I love you. Un beso. Georgie, show them you're bilingual. Un beso. Un beso. Oh, thank you. So that's our list of events that we're going to be having going on the channel. Like, subscribe, share. I also wanted to give a big shout out to Kiwi's friends. Thank you. You are my #1 supporter of my videos. Hope you enjoy.